Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data is slow on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so reinsert SIM. Remove SIM tray and again insert SIM card, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this icon. So you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.